Hello, welcome back again. So this is a continuation of the previous video on Photopea, but this video we're going to look at the where does this AI that is used inside Photopea comes from. So you can see again we're on the homepage of Photopea. When you click on the link, and you can see generative AI. Once we click here, it gets us to this little nice page here, which shows the examples of what you can do with this generative AI right inside Photopea. And then when you look up here, you can see generate, and in the middle, you have the sponsor by Sona AI. Sona AI is the one that is integrated into Photopea, so you can generate images like this. So let's click on this, and it takes us to Sona AI. And it's a very interesting AI because it's totally 100% free when you generate as many as images that you want, and you can generate it from HD up to 4K or different aspect ratio. So you see here, this is the home page, and once you scroll down, you can see they have different applications here that you can use. They also have this on Google Play and the Apple App Store, so you can also download to use it on your mobile. You have the AI editor, you have the AI image creator. Here is one of the application, AI editor, which you edit your images inside using AI, and also using the AI image creator, which is the one we're going to look at, and the Zona Studio. This is the photo editing software or applications that you can edit your photos. So we're going to look at these ones in the future videos. So let's get started with how to use AI image creator inside Sona AI. Once we click on that, we are landing on the page where we can create or generate our image. So let's just copy the same prompt that we used in our previous video here. So you can see these are images that are generated by other artists. So let's click here. If you need to sign up, you have to sign up so that you can have some generate images to HD. Okay, so here we are in the prompt editor here, where you type in your prompt, or you can upload an image from here. And you see this is the aspect ratio. You have the square, high, and wide, and you have the high definition, different resolution here, full HD 4K, and it shows the aspect ratio of that, 21, all these ones here. You can also choose to enable this upscale by 2. It's up to you to do that if you want to. Now we're going to put in the prompt, the same prompt that we generated in our previous video. This is the prompt here. And then we're going to use the white and then change this to 4K. And then we can use the 2 times upscale for now. And then let's click on generate. Again, it takes only a few seconds to do this. Okay, so here's another image that I just generated. I think this one might do. Let's look at this one and this one. Okay, this one is much better. So here, once we have that, let's have a look at some of the little functions that this image AI generator have. So for example, when you put your mouse to it, you can see these little functions here. You can share the image, you can download the image, you can edit the image. That's what we're going to look at that. Copy to clipboard and generate similar ones, and then improve, and then create videos. So in the next video, we're going to look at how to generate similar, improve, and create video. Very interesting. But now let's go to edit. So once we click on the edit, it takes us to the editing page here, which you can crop your image and do not much in here, but some little nice thing that you can do here. Okay, so when we click on the edit, you can see here it says crop. This is where we crop our images. So you can see it gives you the ratio to crop here. You can do that or whatever you want to do. But for now, let's just cancel this just to show you how you can do that. And then you have the rotation here. So the rotation or flip here, you can rotate to the angle. You can flip on to the other side. You can do that. So you can see this is how you can do that. Let's just click on this, and then you have the edit here, you have the AI tool and the text. So let's click on the edit, and you can see we have this nice editing here, the color vibrancy, saturation, warm tint, hue invert here. So once you click on that, you can see we are increasing the color look of that, and then a little bit of saturation to reflect the color of the candle and the tint, something like that. And you still have some lights function here, the exposure, the contrast, the black, white, highlights. Okay, so that's how we can use this tool, edit here, and then you have the AI tool here. You can remove the background, you can replace the background. You can do the sky enhancement and then portrait enhancement, remove any object from your image, and also generative fill here. So these are different things that you can use right inside this little Shona AI. It's very interesting. And then the last one is text here. So you can type in your text, the text editor there, and you can add the outline, you can add the shadow here, all these are here. Let's click apply. If you want to apply another text again, you can apply it and then type in your text again. And from here, you can change the color of the text to any color you want to. And the opacity here, rotation. So all these are here. And once you're happy, you can click apply. And from here, you can click on save to save your image. Okay, so that's how we use the Zona image generator to generate image. And then we can also edit it inside using the AI editor here. In the next video, we're going to look at some of the more functions of this AI software. So come again and see you back again in another video.